group of cat takers has tried to solve this problem. So, on a farm, there are ducks and cows. There are 18 legs and 7 heads in total. How many ducks are there? Okay, so what you need to recognize is sa ganito mga problems, yung pinakamahirap lang naman na part is understanding the problem and also setting up your equations. Kasi this is just a simple systems of linear equations problem, di ba? So, first step natin is let's set up yung equations natin. First of all, kailangan natin bilangin kung ilan yung heads and ilan yung legs ng each animal. So, for this problem, let D be the number of ducks and C be the number of cows. So, unahin natin yung legs. Sabi sa problem, di ba, may 18 legs in total. Ilang legs ba yung ducks, di ba? 2. Yung cows ay 4. So, if you set up that equation, meron kang 2 legs ng ducks plus 4 legs ng cows. And sabi sa problem, 18 daw yung total niyan. Similarly, we can do the same thing for the heads. Nag-iisa lang naman sila ng ulo. So, D plus C is equal to 7. Diba? 7 heads in total. So, pag systems of linear equations, you can solve them in different ways naman. For this video, I will solve them in 2 ways, substitution and elimination. Okay? So, unahin natin yung substitution. Sabi sa problem, ilan daw yung ducks. So, I will make sure na yung C, yung mawawala sa final setup natin. So, I will express this one, itong second equation, as C is equal to 7 minus D. Okay lang naman kahit ano, it's just faster if D na agad yung sa final mo. Okay? So, this one, I will substitute dito sa C. So, 2D plus 4 times, palitan mo siya, so 7 minus D is equal to 18. So, this is just a simple algebra problem. So, 2D plus 4 times 7 is 28 minus 4 times D is 4D is equal to 18. So, rearrange lang natin. 2D minus 4D is negative 2D. Tapos, let's transpose 28 dito sa kabilang side. So, 18 minus 28 is negative 10. So, divide mo lang by negative 2 both sides. D is equal to positive 5. So, meron kang 5 ducks in total. So, that is the substitution method. Try naman natin yung elimination. So, I will rewrite yung 2 equations natin dito. 2D plus 4C is equal to 18. Tapos D plus C is equal to 7. So, yung hinahanap sa problem is yung D, di ba? So, sa elimination, I will make sure to eliminate si C. So, just like sa numbers mo, you can also multiply whole equations. So, itong second equation, i-multiply ko siya by 4. Okay? So, this will be 4D plus 4C is equal to 7 times 4, 28. So, erase natin yung middle. Okay. So, similarly, pwede na natin i-subtract yung whole equations. So, dito, this one, minus ito. So, ang mangyayari, 2D minus 4D is negative 2D, plus 4C minus 4C is just 0. That's equal to 18 minus 28, negative 10. So, save lang siya dito. Therefore, D is also positive 5. So, that is how you solve systems of linear equations in both ways. So, I hope you learned something from this video.